First, I would like to say that I'm grateful for the opportunity to work from home, as it has allowed me to spend more time with my family, who I don't get to see very often when I'm away at school. However, with my whole family working from home, it can definitely be difficult to stay motivated. So I have made sure to do a couple things every day to stay inspired. First, I make sure to get up early and really take some time to wake up and drink my coffee as if I was going into the office. And also, I have found it helpful to create a designated workspace away from any distractions. By doing these two simple things, working from home has become both enjoyable and productive.